What if I told you the next person cleaning your office or building your car won't be a person at all? It started inside NASA labs, where engineers were trying to solve a problem no human could survive. In space, there are places too dangerous, too extreme, so they built machines, not just tools, but robots that could work like us. That technology didn't stay in space. Today, companies like Tesla are developing humanoid robots designed to work in factories. Boston Dynamics is building machines that can move, carry, and operate in complex environments. And startups like Figure AI are pushing toward robots that can work side by side with humans. The hands designed for space missions are now entering warehouses, hospitals, and production lines. They won't get tired, they don't stop. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is a space technology coming back to Earth. Imagine printing a house. The same way you print a document, NASA needed to solve one impossible problem. How do we build homes on the moon? Inside NASA programs, engineers developed systems to 3D print habitats using local material. No workers, no traditional construction, just autonomous machines, building, survival. And then Earth catch up. Companies like Icon are already printing houses in the United States. COBOD is building entire structures with robotic systems, and Episcore has printed homes in less than 24 hours. What started as a survival solution for astronauts is now becoming a solution for millions of people on Earth. Faster homes, lower cost, less waste. Right now, there are systems above you watching the Earth from space, not spying, just understanding. Inside NASA, scientists build systems to process massive data from space, to understand planets, to detect patterns invisible for humans. Now that technology powers companies like Planet Labs, which uses satellites to monitor the entire planet daily. Planetary Technologies builds systems that analyze massive datasets for governments and industries, and Google is integrating AI and satellite data into mapping, climate analysis, and smart systems. Cities are becoming smarter, agriculture is becoming predictive, the planet is becoming measurable. For the first time in history, we are not just living on Earth, we are managing it. But when everything becomes data, who controls the system? This is more than innovation, this is transformation. And in SciSpice, we reveal the hidden systems that are quietly shaping our world.